Welcome friends, welcome to Online Learning Box, and today in this video tutorial we are going to learn a very tricky things. So see this, you can see this image, and my intention is how to remove the background of this image without any selection. So now here in this software, in this Photoshop software, you can see this is a 2020 Photoshop 2020 version. So here we go. Now we are going to remove the background, just one click. So how it's happen? So see, this is lock. So first step is when you importing your image to Photoshop. So what you need to do, just click here and unlock this image. So now it is layer, or for the safety purpose what you need to do, just drag it here and it's a copy of this layer. Okay, so I'm going to change the name, it's image, so it's 1. I'm just clicking here 1. So we are going to remove the background to this one and just off this things. Okay, so just one click. See, this is here, this property, this is very important. So next step is go to property. So if you are not watching or not see the property here, so go to window and here you can see this property. So it should be checked. So this is checked. If you uncheck this, this property is gone. So what you need to do in your case, just check this property. So here now click here this quick action tools. So just one click, remove the background. So see, just one click and it's automatically removing the background of this image. I think this properly, but a little bit of things we need to do properly. So here you can see this is the masking, it's creating automatic mask. So click here, it should be click, and here you can see this is very important, black, and the foreground color is black and the background color is white. So it's keep in mind. So when it is black, now I'm going to use my pen tab. Okay, click here. So it's selecting the foreground color is black, so it's automatically removing the part. So it should be the white. Okay, so remember these things, should be white. So we are removing this one. Okay, and let's back and see, this is automatically remove the fantastic effect. So removing just one click, and this features is starting from, I think that's 2020 version. Photoshop 2020 versions is very thank you for this attachment to Photoshop. Thank you Adobe. And here you can see this is very beautifully clear, this background. So little bit here, I think this is problematic. So what you need to do, just down arrow. So here, see this, I need this one, and this is for the removing this unwanted part. So this is unwanted, so removing this one, just remove this one, and this simple and easy, very easy things. Okay, so just one click, remove your background without any selections. This is the best trick, I think, and it's obviously save your lots of time. Okay, but one thing you should keep in mind, that it's only possible when the subject is not very difficult, because when you think that subject hair and beard is very difficult to remove, so in that case you should select the object and removing one by one, so it should be better and you might be get better result. Okay, so this is automatically remove the background and save lots of time. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, so I think this video tutorial is very helpful for you, and if you want to change the background, it's also very easy. You can easily change the background. So in that case, I'm just going to change the background. So just one click you can change the background also. So I'm just downloading a picture from internet. So see this one, I'm going to change the background and put it over here. So it's like this, and Control T, put it like this, and now hit enter and see this one, just this one, Control T, and now drag it over here. So it looks like this, a little bit of. So you can see this is better result, and the rest of this part, sorry. Okay, now you can see, hit enter, and let's, if you think this is uneasy, so it's like, should be like this. Okay, so this is, by this trick you can easily change the background and remove the background easily. Okay, so in my next class I will definitely teach you how to learn the advancedly Photoshop. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you.